Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your ChatGPT email address. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open AI and you simply need to log in into your OpenAI account. So let me log in first. So once you log in, you simply need to select API and then you need to click on personal and here you need to click on manage account. So here you can click on the that is about members and here you can see my personal. So you can invite another member from here and after that you can simply click on leave and you can change the ownership. So this is a simple process by which you can change your ChatGPT email address. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.